there, Unmaskers. Welcome back to Unmask It Now. Every Windows administrator knows how essential it is to have AWS agents or drivers running on EC2 Windows Server to be updated to their latest versions, so they can benefit from any bug fixes, new features, or performance improvements in that release over prior versions. AWS public documentation does maintain a version history page for each new release of the AWS agent or drivers running on Windows servers, so you can get the version number, changes in that release, and the release date. I will link that page in the description below. However, it can be tedious tracking these new versions, considering these updates don't have a predetermined date of release. So how can we make this simple? That brings me to the topic of today's video. Subscribe to EC2 Windows service notifications. Amazon SNS can notify you when new versions of these agents or drivers are released. For EC2 Windows, these notifications can be configured to receive release updates for new versions of EC2 Config Service, EC2 Launch v2, AWS SSM Agent Service, and EC2 Windows drivers such as AWS PV Driver, Amazon Elastic Network Adapter, which is ENA driver, and AWS nvme drivers. Receiving these notifications will alert you on the new version numbers, so you can study the changes in that release and be ready to plan the update window. When performing these updates, make sure that you trial the new version in a dev or test environment to verify it's working before rolling it out to production servers. Each of these notifications can be subscribed to in the North Virginia, which is the US East 1 region, and the SNS topic that you need to subscribe to for each of these agent/drivers is different, and it is displayed in the table. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to subscribe to EC2 Config Service notifications. You can apply the same procedure and repeat them for all other agents and drivers that you see on this table, provided you pick up the right Topic ARN. Switching to the AWS console, let's first navigate to the Simple Notification Service SNS console. In the navigation bar, make sure that you change the region to US East, North Virginia. You must select this region because the SNS notifications that we're subscribing to were created in this region. In the left navigation pane, choose Subscriptions and then choose Create Subscription. In the Create Subscription dialog box, make sure that you provide the Topic ARN. I've copied the Topic ARN for the EC2 Config Service notifications from the table that I shared previously. For the protocol, select Email, and under Endpoint, make sure that you type an email address that you can use to receive these notifications. Once done, make sure to click Create Subscription. You'll now receive an email asking you to confirm your subscription to your email endpoint. Open the email and follow the directions to complete your subscription. As you can see, I've received an email from the EC2 Config Interest asking me to confirm my subscription. In order to confirm the subscription, click on the Confirm Subscription hyperlink. Once done, you should receive a success message saying that your subscription is confirmed. Head back to the Amazon SNS console and refresh the page. You will see that the status of your subscription should now report as confirmed. Now, whenever a new version of EC2 Config Service is released, AWS will send a notification to your email endpoint informing you of the newly released version. If you no longer want to receive these notifications, you can unsubscribe from them. To do so, make sure you've selected the right subscription from the Subscriptions tab on the left navigation pane, which will bring you to this page, and then click on Delete. Once you are on this page, you can then confirm the deletion by clicking on the Delete tab again. This will fully delete the subscription that you have created. That's how easy it was to set up EC2 Windows service notifications. You can repeat this process for the other agents or drivers that were shared on the list before. Thanks for watching. For more such content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unmask It Now. Until next time.